Okay, that's the secret.
Calculando y escribiendo el resto. So, yo y Dulce estábamos poniéndolo varias veces para ver a dónde teníamos el problemita. Multiplicamos cada cuadrito por 30 hasta que tuvimos la respuesta.
So this doesn't need that, so that's the throw this. Good. That's the coding you made, and those are the sketch you made about the circuit. Okay. Remember that you can change the length of the move forward. You can change the length. You don't have to go half a meter, you know. You may change or just. Okay, great. You may adjust the length of this thing.
Está moviendo.
Okay, repeat 6 times 30.
Casi,
Okay, 6 by 30. You see 6 by 30.
Start from B. Yes, start from B.
Okay.
The golden always starts right in the corner.
Exactly. You,
Finish on this corner.
exactly. You have to think.
Ahora como que hice yo el primero.
Oh, nice. You get it. Good. This goes in one direction, this goes in different direction. How could you know to go in the same one? Explain to me, what's that? Yeah, what's the name of this? Solar what? That's it. Let's see. What you saw there? What you saw there? What you saw there?
It's magic! It's magic! Magic!
Hey, be careful, be careful.